lay the set up.
Liv works in Savannah and is like 30 minutes out from there, her house, so I get to see two friends.
Perfect. Let's face the other way.
Up.
Just another way.
Okay.
Let's go face down.
I can never see your brother.
Well, you can definitely hear him.
No. Maybe it's just every time I'm here, he's like not in the hallway.
No, he's poking people in the back. Let's go right hand, low back. And switch. Both. And arms
Oh
down.
my god, that like hurts lifting my legs. Ow.
Let's go right hand, low back. And switch. Both. And arms down. Why'd I have to get the hard one to film, right?
You should have known that with me. I don't think I've ever been easy. Been more than just my back.
Alright, let's try this again. Right hand, low back. And switch. Both. And arms down. Let's go both hands low back. And arms down. Let's go right arm on top of the head. And switch. Both. And arms down. Let's go face up.
I'm broken.
Just a little bit.
I actually did do that.
Yeah.
I wish it was a joke, but it's not.
That was floss everything? No, no problem. Feel better. See you in 2 weeks.
Arm down.
It'll come back in about 30 minutes.
There we go. Just think about Savannah.
What?
Just think about Georgia.
Yeah. Childless.
Childless.
No, maybe. It's like that's not the honestly the worst ever was whatever that like thigh one was that you pushed on like a time or two ago.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that was
The Sartorius.
terrible. My eye. So, yeah. It's not very relaxing to close your eyes and there's like crap floating around.
Same did it.
Yeah.
Let it be loose.
Well, the second side knows what's happening, so. It's like at Pure Bar, they're like, second side, make it better. And I was like, it's more sore. How does that work?
ahead and sit up. Good.
It's still pretty
Still pulling?
yucky in
Sorry.
the SI joint area.
Alright, walk around real quick, and then just do a circle, and then we'll see how the hips are doing.
Just sit where I was sitting?
No, go face down.
Oh, okay.
That one finally clicked in. Arm down. Arm down. Alright, let's see how that's done. I'm gonna same, better, worse.
Better.
Easier.
Yes.
You ready for Georgia?
Is Georgia ready for me? No,
Yeah.
I'm not that crazy. Maybe back in the day. Not anymore.
Back in the day.